Hi guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best edge trimmers that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're sprucing up your lawn or tackling overgrown weeds, these products will help you get the job done efficiently. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Jagrum Electric String Trimmer Cordless. This versatile 2-in-1 trimmer and edger is designed for users who value flexibility and ease of use. With a cutting width of 12 inches and a powerful 9,500 RPM motor, it's ready to tackle everything from edging along sidewalks to trimming tough grass patches. Foldable and adjustable design ensures that it fits comfortably in storage and adapts to various angles for efficient trimming, even in hard-to-reach areas. Plus, it comes with two 2.0 amp-hour lithium-ion batteries, providing up to 60 minutes of runtime. Perfect for medium-sized yards. The Jagrum trimmer shines in its design, offering ergonomic features like a 180-degree adjustable handle and a 90-degree rotatable shaft. These allow for a comfortable grip and customizable trimming angles. However, its build quality feels a bit heavier at 7.48 pounds compared to some competitors, which might be noticeable during extended use. The automatic spool line system is a plus, ensuring uninterrupted operation when the line breaks. While it provides excellent performance for the price, heavy-duty users may find the plastic construction of some parts less durable over time. Overall, the Jagrum is ideal for homeowners looking for a budget-friendly, battery-powered trimmer with solid cutting power. Pros include its affordability, powerful motor, and adjustable design. Cons include its slightly heavier weight and average build quality. Coming in at number 4 is the Black Decker String Trimmer Weed Whacker, which is the most budget-friendly option on our list. Priced at just $54, this corded electric trimmer offers exceptional value for small to medium yards. Its 6.5 amp motor delivers solid cutting power, while the 14-inch cutting width allows you to cover more ground in less time. The automatic feed spool, AFS, system eliminates the need for bumping, making it hassle-free to use. Additionally, it converts from a trimmer to an edger with a simple rotation, and the wheeled edge guide ensures precision. The design is lightweight at 6.3 pounds and includes adjustable height positions and a handle for added comfort. However, being corded means you'll need to work near a power outlet, which might limit mobility. That said, the cord retention system helps prevent accidental unplugging, a thoughtful touch for uninterrupted trimming sessions. This trimmer is perfect for users who want high performance on a budget and don't mind the trade-off of being tethered to a power source. Pros include its affordability, powerful motor, and automatic line feed. Cons are the limited mobility due to its corded design and slightly dated aesthetics. It's a great pick for budget-conscious homeowners with manageable lawn sizes. At number 3, we have the Work String Trimmer Cordless and Edger WG154. This lightweight yet powerful tool is perfect for users looking for a compact and efficient trimmer. It features a 10-inch cutting width and a 20-volt lithium-ion battery, making it ideal for small to medium lawns. The 2-in-1 design allows you to switch between trimming and edging effortlessly, thanks to the rotating head. It's also incredibly lightweight at just 4.2 pounds, making it one of the easiest trimmers to handle for extended periods. The WG154's standout feature is its automatic line feed system, which ensures uninterrupted operation without the need for manual adjustments. It also includes a flower guard to prevent accidental damage to plants and lawn decor. However, the smaller cutting width might make it less efficient for larger lawns, and the single battery included offers a shorter runtime compared to dual battery models. This trimmer is best suited for homeowners with smaller yards who prioritize portability and ease of use. Pros include its lightweight design, automatic line feed, and budget-friendly price. Cons are the smaller cutting width and shorter battery life. It's an excellent choice for light-duty trimming tasks. Taking the number 2 spot is the Varsk 20V String Trimmer Cordless. This versatile tool features a 12-inch cutting width and an impressive 8,700 RPM motor, making it suitable for both trimming and edging tasks. Switching between modes is as simple as pressing a rotation button, and the smart auto feed line technology ensures seamless operation. It's lightweight at 5.3 pounds and includes two 2.0Ah batteries, offering extended runtime compared to single battery models. The design features an adjustable handle and cutting head, allowing for multi-angle operation and easy access to tight spaces. The inclusion of 6 spare spools is a thoughtful addition, providing long-term value. The stabilizing wheel ensures clean, professional-looking edges, and the protective cover minimizes accidental damage to plants and decorations. With its powerful motor, long runtime, and adjustable features, the Varsk trimmer is perfect for medium-sized yards and users who want a balance of performance and affordability. Pros include its dual battery system, high-speed motor, and bonus spools. The only downside is that assembly is required, which might be a minor inconvenience for some users. Finally, at number 1, we have the Work String Trimmer Cordless GT 3.0. This premium option is packed with features, making it the best overall choice for serious lawn enthusiasts. Its 2-in-1 design easily transitions from a trimmer to an edger, and the 12-inch cutting width ensures efficient coverage. The innovative command feed system allows for instant line feeding at the push of a button, and the dual 20-volt batteries provide long-lasting power for larger yards. Design-wise, the GT 3.0 stands out with its 90-degree tilting head, rubberized wheels for precision edging, and adjustable spacer guard to protect plants and decorations. Despite its robust build, it's lightweight at just 5.3 pounds, making it comfortable to use for extended periods. The inclusion of free spools for life adds significant value to the package. Although it's the most expensive option on this list, the GT 3.0 justifies its price with superior performance, durability, and versatility. It's perfect for users who want a high-end, cordless trimmer that can handle demanding tasks. Pros include its dual batteries, ergonomic design, and advanced features. The only con is the higher price point, but for those willing to invest, it's well worth it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions about these edge trimmers, leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Happy trimming!